A few moments later.
Hai guys, berjumpa lagi bersama saya Anak NZ. Aduh, welcome back to my channel. Kali ini aku ngejemput anjing kecil aku yang perjalanannya ditempuh dari kota aku itu sekitar 3 jam. 3 jam itu nonstop ya, patas. Jadi kita habis sarapan, terus kita janjian gitu sama pemilik anjing itu. Jadi anjingnya itu masih kecil guys, masih baby gitu ya, masih bayi. Jadi kita menunggu di sini sesuai janjinya sang owner ya, sang pemiliknya. Terus diserahkan gitu. Kita itu intinya ngadopsi anak anjing gitu ya guys. Jadi dia masih nunggu orangnya datang. Jadi sambil duduk-duduk di sini sambil menunggu ya guys. Jadi hari ini dingin sekali. Nah, di skip tonton terus videonya dari awal sampai akhir. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan komennya. Dan orangnya udah datang teman-teman, dan Om Bule itu mau ngambilnya itu. Itu masya Allah, cute banget. Aku mau ke sana lihat teman-teman. Yuk kita lihat.
We can't travel with her sitting on the line.
She's got toys.
Look at this, look. She's
I
right under.
know. This is cuteness.
I can hear her going.
Maybe she's not used to it. You're right, baby. Come here. Come here with mommy.
You want to see Mum?
Hello.
You want to see Mum?
Come on. We're going home. Oh, don't make mommy jealous. No. Come on here. Come on, baby.
I know she's nasty, eh?
Ah.
She's mean.
Dia nggak mau sama aku guys, dia maunya sama dirinya.
Alright, here we go.
I gave it mommy.
Okay.
Come on, come on.
Okay, put it on your lap.
Okay.
Put it on there so she can smell it.
You're right, Baba. Hey everyone. This is yours. Oh, it's my Baba. My Baba. This is so tiny, guys. Is it 4 weeks old?
8.
8 weeks old. No. She's straight away put my neck up and then hiding it under my neck, my chin. Hey, Baba. It's alright. You're alright. You're good. Okay, we're going home, baby. We're going home, baby.
And by 1:10 past 1.
Okay, are we straight away home?
Yep.
Hi.
It's a big trip for her, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, she's already had an hour.
she's alright. She alright. She will be alright. It's a little bit smells.
No bathing yet.
Let's go special shampoo for her, yeah?
Yeah, but
You
we
can
have
buy
to
in the
read up.
supermarket or
You
something.
have to read up about it, yeah?
Yeah.
Because when they're so young, you got to be careful.